Mr. Rang Peter, IAS Deputy Commissioner of Kamchong and guest of honor. I'm very happy to meet Mr. Rang Peter after nearly 12 years, I think. When I first became the Principal Secretary Works in 2008, I visited Kasom Kulen and Phungyer, and he was STO in Phungyer. And I'm very happy to meet him after so many years. And he is a very important and responsible position he's holding. In the life of an ICE officer, I can tell you, since I'm a retired man, Deputy Commissioner is the best period. So it is my sincere advice and also wish that you remain as DC Kamchong for many years. That is my wish. And the other guest of honor, Mr. Ramrei Retd, I'm very happy to meet you, Project Director DRT Ukrul, and Sri Kailan Lal Vaipe, Director Technical NERCOM. I'm so happy to meet my old colleague. For 4 years, 2015 to 19, we worked like a family. There was so much camaraderie and bonding among the NEC officials, especially with NERCOM. So I'm very happy. Welcome back to Imphal. I'm in this Manipur, Mr. Kalyan Lal. I'm happy that you make it. And other invitees, Reverend Father C.P. Alexander, and your companion, sisters, and the village chiefs, especially Amiring Shimthar, the chief of Ramrei, and other chief from Muirei, Ngarumpung, Nukenan, Miyopung, Toyi, Riha, Chatong, Lamlai, and also the pastors of Ramrei Baptist Church, the catechists of Muirei Catholic Church, and the friends gathered here this afternoon, and not forgetting our friends from press and media. Thank you so much for coming. Since the gathering is mostly of our local population, I must congratulate salute Mr. P.K. Angam. He is Under Secretary, Government of India in Delhi. Thank you for coming. And also former Pastor Sylvester Augustine, and our friends from Nukenan, Miyopung, Ngarumpung. Thank you so much for coming. And also not forgetting the wonderful Tangkhul artist, Miss Nimshimpi Muivah. What a beautiful song you sang, no? I think in future I shall have to invite you more. And also my old friend Shimrengam. Thank you so much for your beautiful rendition of the Tangkhul song. And also my friend from Imphal, artist Tipu. Thank you so much for your Manipuri folk song. And also what a beautiful bugle blown by Room in the beginning of the function there in Muirei and again here. And also with this Tangkhul violin, Tingtela, no? It's a mixture of modern and our tradition. It's a beautiful occasion. I shall not take too much time because most of you must be tired. I seek the indulgence of those friends, invitees from Imphal, from outside, who don't understand Tangkhul. I seek your indulgence because I will say a few words in Tangkhul in local language. Razang midek halaya ungnau ping, hangvo ungnau ping, isavu isavangra, isachuan isamay, isar iktong raping. Ning silag hayre hitata function utalagan kuiga miwang. Matay lagay na isar Lily Rose, kala Rang Peter iwang talagan hang mere. My compliments to Lily Rose for your dynamic leadership. Under your leadership, this beautiful project has been implemented. Eva, as NEC Secretary, sanction kasane, actual implementation were Miss Lily Rose Saina our colleague ping kasani is a recani learning slak haire thalan conduct sa miwang nanda tui kam thatra hang mere saina thank you so much ning slak haire ari sadak lay project hi atama hli yarwi wang khuwi wang kanala krut evening li thekuye kaje hili mathala khai thopa lake chatong lake ramrei lake hi wang Impal waina COVID hi kubai ka tourist tara hra la pai chi iwisit ka sang nei jaine tourism hi wa iwi the wi tha ka advantage ka thum le de number 1 revenue income ung re number 2 employment sam phang re number 3 awareness thing wrong khamatha awan wrong khamatha mutu tek la ka highway kan khana hi kick tourism with advantages ne ya thang malai de isin auri introduce musa mi thore isin au Stephen Hilipam de le kala Mr Vincent Ronercom China Ramrei in a sadak le le shilang in sa ko jo amazing thar I wi wang maning mane iram wang maning mane kanaram wi wang ko jo chili lang mai da in the naramli water supply la 14 crore chadamati sanction sa milaga hiwaina paman kapka laga naramli treatment plan sara laga khug tong li char yong ki jine idang sha tha kha honorable CM na next month November li inaugurate sara de shai hila ramrei wi khangchwan aina samphang nei naramwi wangla kala ara silent saichang shabung kho wa sung de tar mi gi ji bojo ithum area hi char mangphai mle lak mane kala athang national highway way na hilera shungda black top sahi hil in sa mine teta sorok male samane hilda NDC na sa mine ngorum phongli la in horticulture wibang crore tharukana he section sami jari hon wat sam hung de le jila nauta ithum wibang kang hana tra sam hang de sitsangai kajangkha de in NDC li singum matiwa pamji North East we state shali project in the section ka saji shamati ga ye project shamati nga chaili Manipur na kadya chung me ka ba 82 hangji shada khani ne hangji shada khani wi chaili ukhru aina kamchong district na makune chi maku wi chaili hang me kap chi ba kamchong to Pilong road chi 147 crore ne khiwang aina ina ji sami khla jila ga Pilong ay no onjia jeli integrated check post border trade shok vai ka sane jewi inspection la khani sida ungai re aru in the TC kamchong rang peter hangai re inspection kungji tharan report ma thala gain milo shimla le re sarok le re da milo din hang me re in the jigtha ji tra kha mahang wala la aru ki kha rajang mi da khliya ungnau ping kalang sondaw bing psychology hi thadak sahi iwi wanga ki kan khana ma le mane kha iwana thumni le shi ta sa mi ne China aji hili ecotourism ka sahi la teula khai ne kha ithum wanga kan khana sare atama khali ramrei hi tourist destination of Manipur sang sak sak ji hi iwi vision ne chi thai kha ilipom de khleya Pandak laya Ramrei, Muirei, Ngorumpung, Chatong, Katong, Kanaki Jene. Eva Kachankada, Ramrei Li, Lake Forest Resort la Proposade, Government of India Li, 15 crore. Kachi, what's a Mungsung Laga, Iritai Sarotawe. Iwi nursing college Maklehi, nurse Tamhai Trakley, Kala nurse way opportunity la Trakley, Chuvanga in the PSC Nursing College de Shifuni Samie, Wino Bazarli, Tankulong Lamli, Shimik Tweak Highway Lamjeli, Incubation Center, the 13 crore Samidale. Chili, Tankulu Yaron Galano Bing, Matailang Galano Bing Li, skill and competency in Parsahaine. Atumli, Guwahati Indian Institute of Entrepreneurship. Kachang is the Ungre, Atumli. Pangkemui like the kicker training mire. Itumui sinawicha earring, necklace, finger ring athun ungtam segi jene sinai na ga thada sa la ga tukan sa pai ra ji jili lang mai da ithumei tangkhul shan gi chon na ga shan hi skirt ka thada sa huira ka thada hook sangra ari wa hook le ma sang la ta da tip ka sang da the national being wa mang wai time da tak tung la wa la pai china chi wi ka thada modify sa la ga tangkhul costume hi mthang saksi khala ji wi training later lang mai da ithumei tangkhul ga shan haura changkhom hi wa mostly woolen ne woolen because Ukraine is very cold because the rest of the country India have a tropical country in the China woolen with demand ra kham lai mane iwa tangkhul ga shan chon psycho re hi silk aina sang sanga ye ji incubation center li tamire silk sai ga India li la demand le ra Europe America le demand le ra aman le chung mai khara kala income la profile ungsang mai ra ji hi iwi vision ne ji lang mai da VVT we centrally in a cane and bamboo training institute la crore shini mi la ga sadale tangkhului yaron ngala naw bingli naw snaw bingli hili mangali pam da le sofa hi cane ni ga sa ne bamboo ni ga sa ne hi da sofa furniture hi sa la ga employment sam ga bai kala entrepreneurship le ga bai da ga sa ne itumna tarka same kap je entrepreneurship de government we what limit le it has reached saturation point china tangkhul we like them thangame now shnau bing hi ayali sir de le mumbai le phali we phatang we khwa khawai na yaron ngala sak thum le de khale mumbai le what ka pha chinchuroi wai na la delhi mumbai le mi sham di sha phanga chatale dhangai pune ga thali khu khani mangai na chingjroi na phatang na nearly 700 ayali pamdale kha yangra ukrul hongbum chungna the brain train the way athum jili ayali mawang sagla ithum hili entrepreneurship sang sangai athumli makham bai mane ga there is no opportunity here opportunity ji ithum na mi phungre government we what ne China athumli entrepreneurship sang sangai kachig thana horticulture we kachig thana floriculture kachig thana arui khig vegetable kachig thana industry ka government athumli basic infrastructure mi phungre saro tar healthcare bank branches ATM chig tham lekha entrepreneurship saglage itumna maite mayangli panganli compete sarar mane kaja facility hi tam bagli le saramu jain ithum apam lila ithumi manipur naw maning mala adam rai re ithumla ithumui legitimate kaja ithumna sambhangang yi share jiwa sambang thongre hi leadership we pangli le jaina ithumui tangkhul yurwi self respect ichati resources se atam shirakha singong mako she ka ithum ne cabinet lam sang sak khiwiwang ithum manipur naw maning mala cabinet sang vai sa se yo jang ithum ni thada hai baila ukhrul district hiwa the Jerusalem of Manipur ka phongli first education was started in Ukhrul the first church Phongyo church was started in Ukhrul chithaga vareshil Ukhrul hapo katam lari katam shil Ukhrul hapo chithaga ithum Ukhrul hi thada ngatsanang le baila ithum legitimate right sambhaga gi ji ithum khwiphungre kaji hi ithu iwi vision ne kala na thumna le chi phaning da le re na thumin uglung ni ka phaning chi inda ta hang sok mane atam rai re Ukhrul district la ithum rightful position rightful status ji Manipur government ka bon baga khuita ka sai ge ne ithumli ari hon ithumui ichati shaman saktale self respect hi resources se the glory of Ukhrul ji resources se I we take with haga there is a silent cultural renaissance ithumui tangkhul yaron naw bin la kya ka sate haw nim sim phi ji kya kam thadal sa ho jang awi kolik le khang del le chungsang la achon thang in ava market li yaw thui wa ye jili ari semi ka shuna la lara sa ye มาท่าไหนYouTube ลีเวอร์ตั้งคุณลามั่งไหนเลย English ลามั่งนาทัวร์ดีเวอร์ตั้งคุณลังเนี่ยมาท่าไม่เลยก็ใช่เนอะไล่ดิกเทียมเนี่ยชกเดเลยไล่ลาสักเทเลยเดเลยเชฟชิตุลี cultural renaissance หอยจะนี่ economic renaissance เลยคุยรักไว้ซะสิสโรกท่าอารีอีทุ่มมี power supply healthcare education system ฮีมาตายลากัน education ฮีอุครูตั้งคุณครุงลี250 villages เนี่ยชาคันนี้ห้องพังอักฟุกเลยฮิลีสกูลคำทักยากเลยอีทุ่มเนี่ยฟิงเกอร์เลยกาวน์ซาบาย Sacred Heart Savior School Elise Christian High School Little Angel Patka Christian Academy aru in Muirei Sinatini School the Hapokere Father CB Alexander the principal ne he va hapok the thane school khamatha mati phanga mangai na itum rari mathiam sak bai mane khu ga jida quality education leng sab thumre chi tha kha itum hi yur shamka paira itum mi shamka paira natural resource paliba mi ka shem hina matai mai Taiwan South Korea Japan chi ok thuli number 1 ta dale economic regresani Taiwan South Korea heba itum tangkul ngarai chak jinda asag la ngarai cha culture la ngarai cha athum na sasha ba itum khiwam sa bai mara chu inspiration ji itum ni rang sage itum atam li la chithawi resang phai khira se ke join ra human resource human capital mi ka shamji join ra re jeni re makeup the mi shamse jaga quality education hi lephung re Ari Right to Education Act RTE li sangsar dale Ari va National Education Policy hoye chile khug jita school leki jene school a khali classroom phakshini le phungre every classroom should have a teacher tang khai na shina oja sa phungre 100% na tangkhul tui thiam phungre tangkhul tui ma kthei na ukhru district le kamjong le ojam sa pai mane he Right to Education Act li sang dale Ek kajihiva law ne ayin ne it is not advisory not guideline not guidance it is mandatory kajiva compulsory kajine ji implement masa ga official being la government le cheli sanga bai de kala school kajita mite mil thang khali sat ji school ra hangla ka khlomai na ka tamnauli mi jagi jine tu kani law ka mai mi pai mane ji law li jang de le government of India supply sa de le ka jili hi implement sa de le itumni hi ke chipat meaning la kala school ke jida running water mangapai tar le phongde de sang de le kala shinawi menawi washroom toilet le de sang de le ke chi sa ga ma sa ga ji hi I nimong la ke hi ma sam de le re hi government of India thanang sami de khlei ne itum ka thana bin na than la ga hi angkhuli la ukhuli la Eva kangaje khiranga ye Eva ari chui maram tra mangai mane katangli thum ita da hanga ye legacy avuramwe avawa ping isame isa chon isar iktongara itum khok salaga shepsi tuli together khok salaga itumi tangkhul ngale hil avram hila transform sa sekjine ngaching sakse atam rai re itum miwa khanu mangni ma sat pai mare Arunachal atum state le Nagaland Nagao state le Meghalaya le Khasi Garo state le tele Sikkim le Sikkim state le tele Mizoram le Mizoram state le tele Gurkha Nepalian dang the autonomous council le te Darjeeling le Tripura le tribal being 6 schedule mi tele Ithumui Manipur tribal now being le 6 schedule and mami ngai ji khiwi wangle Ithumi za the miwi kanung li sa chwansila Mi kataina tribal now fellow tribal na state samanga ka ituma 6th schedule 21st century li musam mane Nagali wa changkhat 1947 June 29 India independent musam bangna naga semi independent mi khaide Sir Akbar Haitri NNC agreement 1947 June li Nagali jili semi independent mi khaine Khaji Indian independence samanglaga nishiwi jiva 6 schedule sangai re ishiwi national Nagawi national father avavo pizoli khilo dange he fell insulted semi independent mi laga ari siksha lokology iliki mutisila aji constitutional assembly subcommittee member mayang nokcha au the third graduate of the naga ari science hawi malung khawadaina cha chitha kha 1950 li pizona 6 schedule tyaunai gi 21st century li even after 50 years or 70 years 6 schedule post atale laga chain dang dam mi ma Manipur Chief Minister R.K. Torendra Singh Ratha Binod na kapungli 6 schedule milo the government of India recommend sa khaide arwen dang dam bo khithel pam de le chitha ga ithumai kapung na wiwang la hi a khase shida khle hi ithumai legitimate right ka that am bo khithei thogla gi nei ithumai fellow tribal Mizo Khasi Karo Naga Arunachal na statehood samang ithum 6 schedule masang bhangi ukrung li ka na thum marung khawat mara mana where is our self-respect? Each self-respect is restored sablung re. Itum hi meaningful autonomy jipokise. It is in the interest of Manipur. Kapungli mari phanak la gabam hi national highway blockade sa akasa de gabam hi ba tambak wiwang na shugita ne meaningful autonomy jipokise chu atam rahere. Ina aju platform hi hi traka relevant masam lapaye ka issue tangkhul avuramui mi ita daraga sibili chui awareness chi itumli chipadak leji khui shok se gi hi iwi vision ne hi mili yangshida samaning manai Manipur government hi na tamba we mi chumegada we expect magnanimity from the major community jang in the interest of the state in a dukur khadik thumi hanglaga thauge now make up the akshida hangbeke my compliments to Mrs. Lily Rose for this beautiful and lovely program. I compliment your colleagues, my sisters. Thank you so much. Ihen ngchangawge ningshinaire itum khokhayang sada together ngorumda whatsapp room segi hi ina na thumi hangkhangai ne ningshila kai